For one day, if badminton did not have rules, what would you like to do?
It's always good to play in front of the home ground.
I have world champion and two-time Olympic medalist with me, PV Sindhu. Thank you so much for talking to me. It's a pleasure having you at Indian Open. How are the expectations like this time?
Well, I think I'm really happy that we are playing the Indian Open in Delhi. I mean, it happens every year, but yeah, this year it's in the new stadium. Of course, really looking forward for it, and I think it's always good to play in front of the home ground, and because the fans are always very excited and always cheering for us. So I'm really looking forward for it.
It's not been a good year, tough year last year. What was going through your mind in all this time? And we know you make comebacks very well. You just come up with the trophy always. So how was that time for you, especially with having gone through so much?
I think it was obviously important that I had to believe in myself and come back stronger, because at the end of the day you keep playing sport and that's your passion. Yeah, last year was not really well. I couldn't finish the season quite well. I was injured, but it was important for me to make sure I'm stable mentally, physically. I'm in the right state of mind. But I think things have changed and I came back stronger and better as well. And you could see this, at this season in the start at the Malaysian Open, that was going on well and it went on well. So I think with the same confidence, I would want to perform here as well.
What are the goals ahead for this year, especially with the Asian Games?
Yeah, of course, really looking forward for it. But yeah, this year is going to be very hectic. At the same time, we have Asian Games, we have World Championships in India. So I think we'll have to pick and choose tournaments, what to play, and make sure you're smart enough to actually take care of your body as well. So yeah, it's just one tournament at a time and just go out there and give your best.
And for one day, if badminton did not have rules, what would you like to do?
Well, rules have always been changing, so there's nothing to change much.
One thing which you just don't want that this shouldn't be there and I am going to do this.
Yeah, I would always want to be a winner. There should not be any losses.